Rishwa's recipes. Well, today I'll be showing you all a very interesting chicken salad recipe, which is really a meal in itself. Now it has some grilled chicken, which has just been brushed with a little bit of olive oil. We have some fresh lettuce leaves and a special salad dressing which we are going to prepare, which is delicious. And we're going to be using some toasted bread, brown bread croutons. So there's very little oil, and even the oil that we're using is extra virgin olive oil. So this salad is really a meal in itself. You can keep all the ingredients like the dressing, your grilled chicken, and your croutons and your lettuce leaves ready. And when you're really hungry, you just assemble all of this together and you have a whole meal in itself. So I hope you like this short and sweet recipe. If you do, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please share my recipes with family and friends. And also go and check out all the recipes I have, and I have segregated them into playlists like lunch and dinner recipes, breakfast, sweet items. So go and check out the playlist. So friends, let's get ahead and do this amazing chicken salad. Now for the croutons, I have toasted some brown bread in my toaster and just cut it up into small cubes like this. Now we're going to make the most important part, which is the dressing for the salad. Now here I'm crushing about 4 to 5 large cloves of garlic with a pinch of rock salt. You can use ordinary salt too. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, black roasted crushed pepper powder. And I'm going to use a mortar and a pestle, and I'm going to grind this into a very coarse paste. Now I've also bought some lettuce, and I have washed it. First I soaked it in some salt water, then thoroughly washed it, wiped it, and then put it into the refrigerator to chill for some time, and then torn it into small bits. Now the paste is all ready. We need a very nice and coarse paste, and the salt, the rock salt, helps to get this lovely consistency. This adds an amazing flavor to the dressing. This dressing is my husband Abhijit's own invention, and it is just yummy. Now in a large bowl, we're going to take some mayonnaise. You can use the eggless one or the classic one. So we're going to use about 5 to 6 tablespoons of mayo. Then add the paste of the garlic, the pepper and the salt. Now we're going to add some mustard sauce, which about 1 to 2 tablespoons. You can always, add as per what you like more of. And all of these products are now available easily in any supermarket. Even the mustard adds an amazing flavor to this dressing. Now we're going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of RACHA sauce, the extra hot chili sauce. Now goes in some Tabasco. I'm adding about 1 large tablespoon. You can add, like I said, as per your taste. Well, this dressing is so yummy that we even use it as a dip. Okay, now goes in some Worcestershire sauce, 3 to 4 large tablespoons. You can use this dip to have with, you know, some slices of cucumber, carrot. Now goes in some pancake syrup, 3 to 4 tablespoons, or if you have the pure maple syrup, you can add that too. Now we're going to whisk all of this very, very well together. So ensure that you have a large bowl, and we're going to whisk all of this till all the ingredients come together into a lovely, amazing sauce or dressing. You can have this dip with, you know, nowadays in the market you get so many different types of you know, baked kind of like soup steaks, or you have a lot of other things in different flavors. So you can just have it with this dip and it just tastes amazing. So you got to whisk this very nicely for a long time, for at least 5 to 7 whole minutes, because we want this everything to get well integrated together. Now we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Again, this is very, very easily available now in all superstores. Or you can even order these products online. And now we're just going to add some olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Just pour it in, and as you're pouring, just keep whisking. This is also a very important part of the dressing, the oil, the salad oil, which is extra virgin olive oil over here. Now I'm showing you a chicken salad, but you can always use either paneer or tofu or some chickpeas, boiled chickpeas. You can use any substitute instead of chicken. This salad is such, you know, it's so filling that if you just make all of these ingredients, keep them ready, and you just get them together, you can have it as a dinner, as your dinner, and it's so light and so healthy too. So now our sauce is almost ready. Now for the chicken, all I have done is I've just taken some chicken boneless breast and a little bit of olive oil in a pan and just cut them. First I've cut them up into cubes and then just lightly sauteed it in some olive oil till the chicken is cooked. And all I'm going to do is just season it with some pepper powder, black crushed pepper powder, a little bit of herbs and a little bit of salt. You don't have to do much to the chicken, just ensure that it is well cooked. Now we are going to heat up our croutons and put a little bit of olive oil, say about half a tablespoon, and a little bit of herbs, mixed Italian herbs, and just get it nicely toasted on the pan, because this gives the nice crunch element to our salad. And make lots of it, because you know everyone just loves the croutons in the salad. And like I said, you can just make all of these individually, pack them up, store them, and when you're ready to eat, just put all of this together. You can even carry it to office separately and then just assemble it all together and you have a full meal ready. So we're going to toast this nicely in a little bit of olive oil. This has really become a, you know, or hit at my house. At my home, all of us just love this chicken salad. Okay, now we're going to assemble everything. So take a large salad bowl. First we're going to put in the leaves, the salad leaves, the lettuce, just stir it up roughly with your hands. Now we're going to add the croutons. Then goes in our chicken. Please ensure that the chicken is cooked. You can add as little or as much as you want. You can substitute it with anything that's a veg. Now I'm adding some shredded cheese. You can leave this out if you don't want to add the cheese. It's all optional. You can even cube up the cheese into small little cubes, tiny cubes, and add that. And now we're going to just add this amazing dressing. You can add as little or as much as you like. And now all we're left to do is just mix all of this together, and we have an amazing chicken salad all ready to eat. So I hope you like this amazing recipe, a very healthy recipe. It has all the ingredients to make a healthy meal with. If you don't want to go in to eat some heavy rice or chapatis or puris and cook a heavy curry or something, this is just the ideal lunch or dinner salad. So don't forget to give this video a like if you really like this. Share this recipe with family, friends. Make it at home and let me know in the comments box below how your chicken salad turned out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care. Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button you see below this video. Do ring the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Please share my recipes with family and friends. Do visit my channel for more than 215 videos. And thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Take care.